Swabian potato salad. Swabian potato salad, originating from the Swabia region in Germany, is a delightful variation of the traditional German potato salad. Known for its creamy yet tangy dressing and incorporation of unique ingredients, this salad is a favorite at gatherings and family meals. Our recipe serves 6 people generously, making it perfect for sharing among friends and loved ones who appreciate the flavors of regional German cuisine. Ingredients: 2 pounds waxy potatoes, such as Yukon Gold or red potatoes, peeled and thinly sliced. 1 medium red onion, finely chopped. 6 slices of bacon, diced. Half cup beef or vegetable broth. 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar. 2 tablespoons white wine vinegar. 2 teaspoons granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. Salt and black pepper to taste. Chopped fresh chives or parsley for garnish. Instructions: cook the potatoes. Place the thinly sliced potatoes in a large pot of salted water. Bring to a gentle boil and cook until the potatoes are just tender but still hold their shape, about 8 to 10 minutes. Drain the potatoes carefully and transfer them to a large mixing bowl. Cook the bacon and onion, in a skillet over medium heat. Cook the diced bacon until crisp and brown. Remove the bacon with a slotted spoon and set it aside on a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess grease. In the same skillet with the bacon drippings, sauté the finely chopped red onion until translucent and fragrant. Prepare the dressing. In a small saucepan, combine the beef or vegetable broth, apple cider vinegar, white wine vinegar, granulated sugar, Dijon mustard, salt, and black pepper. Bring the mixture to a simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the sugar is dissolved and the flavors meld, about 3 to 4 minutes. Combine and toss. Pour the warm dressing over the cooked potatoes in the mixing bowl. Add the cooked bacon and sautéed onions. Gently toss the ingredients together until the potatoes are evenly coated with the dressing, bacon, and onions, ensuring a harmonious blend of flavors. Let the flavors meld. Allow the Swabian potato salad to rest for at least 30 minutes at room temperature to allow the flavors to meld together. This step enhances the taste profile of the salad. Serve and garnish. Just before serving, sprinkle chopped fresh chives or parsley over the potato salad for a vibrant finish and added herbal notes. Serve the salad at room temperature or slightly chilled for optimal enjoyment. Key points of authenticity. Potato texture. The potatoes should be cooked just until tender but still firm to maintain their shape in the salad. Vinegar blend. The combination of apple cider vinegar and white wine vinegar provides a balanced tanginess to the dressing. Bacon influence. The smoky flavor of crispy bacon adds depth to the salad, complementing the creamy dressing and potatoes. Why it stands out. Swabian potato salad stands out for its creamy yet light dressing, which is a delightful departure from traditional mayonnaise-based salads. The incorporation of bacon and onions adds savory richness, while the tangy sweet dressing ties all the flavors together harmoniously. It is a versatile side dish that pairs wonderfully with grilled meats, sausages, or as part of a hearty German-inspired meal spread. Subscribe to our channel for more culinary explorations, regional recipes, and cooking techniques that bring the flavors of the world to your kitchen. Join our community of food enthusiasts and discover new ways to elevate your culinary skills and delight your taste buds.